Hi, it's Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we're going to show you how to build this PVC Christmas tree. Let's go over some of the parts we have. Before we get too far in this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so more people can see this video and you don't miss any new content. Coming off to the top here, this is kind of the key point of this design. We're using the slip T item. This is all in 1/2 inch PVC pipe. Then we have the 45-degree elbows right there. You're coming around, you have 8 of each one. So 8 of the slip T's and 8 of the 45-degree elbows. There's pieces of pipe in there that are small. Those are about 2 inches long to 1.5 inches. They can vary a little bit. You just want everything nice and snug. Moving over to these pipes here, we made these roughly 4 feet long, going down to the base there. You can make those as tall as you want. We do have a big video coming out very soon. It's going to be a large 10-foot mega tree with the same design. Going back into this setup here, we're going to the bottom. We have a slip cross. It allows the pipe to slide and then sections to be able to come in on each side there. We have 45-degree elbows there as well. The sections in here are not vital. We just had some old pipe laying around from some projects that we used. And the sections right there in the middle, they're roughly 2 feet on the bottom around the whole base. So you'll need 8 of the slip cross. You also need 8 for the bottom section, 8 more of the 45-degree elbows. That's pretty much it. We also have a section of PVC pipe roughly 4.5 feet long that was in the middle here, hooked to a pipe stake, also in 1/2 inch, allowing our star to come up there. You decorate it and you're all set. Thanks for watching this video. Remember, if you want to purchase any of our items, go to www.circoinnovations.com.